Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. A warm welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and super beautiful greeting card in vintage style. So I will show you how to make the window, how to do the background of brick, and how to attach this beautiful cycle, how to create these tiny flowers using paper and paper quilling strips. Isn't it a great card? So without any delay, let's start with procedure. Here I am taking these window cutouts. I am taking 4 cutouts total, and for that I am using this beautiful die by Little Birdie. So I have already prepared this bunch of 4 die cutouts for the base of the window, and now I am joining these 4 pieces together to make nice sturdy window. To cut one window I have used 250 GSM white cardstock. So nice thick layer is ready and it will look like this. Then I am going to color my window completely using light pink color. Here I am using chalk paint, but you can also use acrylic colors, watercolors, poster colors, sketch pens, anything which you have. Like this. And also I have colored the bottom part of the window using off-white color chalk paint. Now I'm just sticking the bottom part with the window. Burnish it very well using bone folder, and the window is ready. So pretty and very sturdy. Similarly, here I have cut the 4 cutouts of cycle using this bicycle die by Little Birdie, and I have colored it using pink, golden and brown color chalk paint. So keeping my die cutouts aside, and I am just going to make my card base here. So I am taking a white color cardstock for the base, which measures 10.5 by 17 centimeters, and I'm going to do the distressing of this card base using blue and green colorings. For the sky portion I'm using blue, and for the grass portion I'm using green. You can also color the background using watercolors. And this is done. It's looking absolutely amazing, nicely merged and blended. Now I'm taking a white cardstock base which measures 22 by 17.5 centimeters. I have added gold mirror cardstock on top of this, and now I'm going to stick my distressed cardstock with the base. Then here I am taking this bricked background for the wall design, which is embossed using embossing folder by Dress My Craft, and I have distressed it using vintage photo distressing. So I'm just going to stick it exactly in the center of the card. Then since I am making the window look from outer side, so we need to cover these windows using some wall designs. That's why I'm just covering it from backside using these cutouts which I got from the same die cut of the window. I have just colored these small pieces using same off-white chalk paint, and I'm just placing it exactly behind the window so that when we will attach this window with the brick background, it will look like we can see the inside view of the room or the home from outer side. And this is done. It will look like this. Now I'm just going to add glue from backside of the window including the panels and sticking it exactly in the center of the card. Like this. Here I am taking one more piece of same bricked embossed panel and attaching in the bottom because I thought the complete panel will look more nice instead of the half one. So using the same width, I have cut one more cardstock and did the same procedure. And then here I am taking the bicycle. On backside of the bicycle I have added double-sided foam tape to give it little dimension, and then I am just sticking it exactly in the center in the bottom part. And this is done. It's looking super cute. Then I'm starting with making the paper quilling flowers. For my bigger flower, I'm taking half strip of yellow color in 2 mm and making one tight teardrop shape. I'm going to join total 5 petals together and adding half cut pearl in the center. So flower is ready. In the same way I have prepared 4 small flowers which is made using 1/4 strip. Then I'm also making some punched flowers. So here I'm using small daisy punch and cutting yellow color paper. This is simple 90 GSM A4 size paper. And to shape these flowers I'm using small size ball tool. I'm shaping each petal and each flower. Just rotate the flower and pinch in the center to make a cup shape. Similarly, I am shaping the remaining one. And the flowers are ready. Also I have prepared some leaf cutouts using the same window die set. So here on the back side of the bicycle and in the front basket I have already decorated with flowers. I have created this small tiny vase or pot using blue cardstock, and on back side I have added double-sided foam tape. I am just sticking it exactly on the window and then decorating this small pot using some leaf cutouts and some small flowers. To add the centers of the flower I am using these drops by Nuvo using off-white and blue color. And then the top portion of the window I am decorating using these leaf cutouts and handmade paper quilling flowers. Like this, and this is done. Now I am just adding the sentiment for the finishing touch as a banner that is called Good Vibes Only. So this is a card you can use for any occasion like birthday, New Year or any anniversary. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.